So this is where I spend most of the night, watching television, even eating dinner out here. And you can see that the cushions have been scrunched down to almost nothing. And that when I sit right here, you can see that I'm basically sitting on just this hard part. So they have to be replaced. And we looked for another couch with the same color. We love these pillows. We love the look of the couch. It fits our room perfectly. And we just couldn't find a couch that had a similar color with similar comfy cushions and pillows. So we decided to try to just replace the cushions with FoamOrder and see if that would do the trick, because we just want to keep this couch and this love seat. But as you can see, that there is really, seriously, no cushion left to these cushions. They have scrunched down to just inches, and so it's really not comfortable. So hopefully when we put our FoamOrder cushions in here, that it'll be like new and we can keep the couch that we love. So we just put in our new FoamOrder cushions and we couldn't be happier with the end result. It adds about 3 inches onto the height of these cushions so that when I'm sitting on the cushion, I no longer am sitting on this hard wood bar underneath. When we first sat down, we honestly felt like we had new furniture. We looked at 4 or 5 different furniture stores and we would have paid thousands for couches that we probably would not have liked as much as these. So FoamOrder for us was the perfect alternative to buying brand new furniture and being able to keep the couches that we know we love. So we couldn't be happier. They were easy to put on, they fit perfectly, and they really do feel like a new couch. It feels like you just bought new furniture. So overall, we couldn't be happier with our FoamOrder.